Hello dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pate from your kidney beans and sunflower seeds. So let's get to the recipe. I've got 1.25 cups of cooked kidney beans here. So to that we're going to add 1 clove of garlic crushed. Then we're going to need maybe 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, so either black or white. So I've got white here. 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for that smokiness. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar here for a bit of that tang. So balsamic, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce as well. So this is the only kind of saltiness we're going to add. You know, we'll see if we need any more. You could always add a little bit of salt here as well once we taste test it. Then I've got a handful of fresh parsley here. And then I've got 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds that I slightly toasted until they were slightly golden and ground up in my spice grinder. So this is our healthy fat in the recipe. And now I've got my Bamix stick blender and I'm gonna blend it. Or you could do it in your kind of NutriBullet or any other kind of utensil. You could do it probably in your food processor as well, somewhere where you can make pastes. And this is quite thick, and pates normally are quite thick, but if you like it a little bit thinner, more like a spread, like a hummus kind of spread, then you can always add, you know, 1 tablespoon or 2 of olive brine, green olive brine I like using. Or in this case, because you're not worried about the color, you could even add black olive brine. So now we can try for salt. So yeah, so this is actually quite nice. If you like it a little bit more salty, you can always add either a little bit more salt or tiny bit more of soy sauce. Or actually, even better option is if you have some miso paste. I happen to have some white miso paste, but you know, any dark miso would work here as well. So I'll put maybe 1/2 teaspoon of miso paste to add that even more umami and that saltiness here, and then blend again. So the pate is done. All we need to do is to taste test it. So look at the pate, it's really looking really good and like really nice and thick consistency. So I spread some on my whole grain sourdough homemade bread, and I'm gonna taste test this. Oh wow. This goes really so nicely with that sourdough bread, because sourdough bread naturally has quite a bit of sourness to it, and that pate has a bit of kind of sweetness and umami, and really goes well here. Tell you what else would go really well on the sandwich: some sliced tomatoes. That would be ideal. Add that kind of juiciness to the mix. So yeah, so this is a really good recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, welcome and subscribe for more videos. I try to upload at least 1 video for you guys a week on how to enjoy a tasty and easy plant-based lifestyle. And until the next time, remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in your body. See ya!